Sarah. How are you? So this was supposed to be my design one on I can't talk today. This was supposed to be my design 101 class and nobody jumped on. I'm sad. I'm not sad. It's just a matter of time and timing, and I'm here for you guys. I've been doing this for over a year and a half. I have a lot of information that's going to save you blood, sweat, and tears. And I want to help you guys. I love helping people. That's kind of my thing. And I am the sticker queen, by the way. I need to give myself a crown. Alrighty, so just I'm not gonna do the class without members participating because that gives me life. I like interacting with you guys. I like the questions. I love the aha moments. Oh, and I'm wearing my Jimi Hendrix shirt. So here's what we're going to cover in Design 101. If it's not today, obviously, I've got a class tomorrow. And if it's not tomorrow, we will be doing it soon. By the way, catch me while I'm free because the price is going to go up. So first thing is get you some Canva Pro. It's $120 a year. It's worth every penny. We're going to learn how to open a file, save the file, what format. You can open a file, what format you want to be in. You have options. You can do custom size, which I always do. But you could do for YouTube, for Instagram. They have all the templates there. The easiest way to make a sticker would be to upload a photo. You're going to look at the quality though. You might want to upscale, which is one of the Canva Pro options that you have. You click a button and you remove the background. Not always. Some of them doesn't make sense or it just can't do the remove background. But that's another lesson. You reframe it. Like let's say if this is the photo, you might want to just frame it and just do the head. And like it's kind of a thing, like a sticker of like a baby's head or your head. So it's a cool thing you do, but maybe you want the full body. You are going, so that's one design is photos. The second design, which is really easy, is in Canva. You go to the sidebar and you look for elements. You go into graphics, and then you can easily search for a theme. Let's say summer. Let's say autumn leaves. Let's say foxes, dogs, cats. Namaste, whatever you want. They have so much. And when you're on Canva Pro, you have the rights to these images. Couldn't hurt to maybe change the colors a little bit or add an element, but they are yours. You're paying for those. So now you've saved hundreds of hours of design. So we got elements and graphics. And then the last thing we're going to talk about is we go back to Canva Home, and I'll show you where the Canva AI is, and you can speak or type in what you're looking for. Let's continue with the summer theme. You want hippies at a beach. Type it in. Take a minute to go grab a coffee. And it's hit or miss, but sometimes it's insanely wonderful. So that's why the $120 a year for Canva Pro is worth every penny. If you wanted to print, they have their own print shop, which I've used in the past, not for stickers, but I've used for other things, and their prices are decent. You can download that's going to be part B of the design, but you're going to want a PNG transparent, easily done. I'm doing a huge banner right now. Don't tell anybody that I don't know what I'm doing, because I know what I'm doing because I researched it, but I kind of don't know what I'm doing. It's going to be a 6-foot banner by 2 feet high. So for that, it needed to be a PDF download with a CMYK or CMK, sorry. But, things you pick up, the things you learn. And this is the beauty of you start out designing a sticker and amazing things can come your way. So again, namaste to you all. Have a blessed day. Love, light, peace, happiness. Yes, that is my era. and I'll see you guys next time.